What's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a good time. It's Rafael back again, and in today's video I'm going to show you, we're going to talk about yesterday's trading session. I was able to turn it was like a 2% loss, and I turned it into 1% profit second trade, and I still got some running on it. And yeah, I'm going to show you exactly why I took these trades, and we're going to talk about the trading session. I just want to show you my house real quick, because in the comment section some clowns, they say I'm still living in my mom's house, in my mom's bedroom. Man, I mean, everybody who's seen the intro on my YouTube channel knows, they know my house already. That's the kitchen with a beautiful view. Let me show you. Yeah, and one of my friends is living behind that door. One of my best friends, Daniel. Yeah, what else do we have in here? A lot of dirt on the roof. Got a turtle over here. And some electric mountain bikes, table tennis, German Hitler moped. Piano. Upstairs is my room. Got that office in here as well. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, we got an office in here, but I prefer to sit on the couch when I trade. Then we have like this disco room. And this villa is like 600 square meters. Living space and 4,000 square meter land. Got a little small sweet music studio in here as well. Got another one in the cellar. Let's go upstairs. Got a sauna in here as well. All that bullshit. In my room I have a jacuzzi and stuff. This is just for the haters, guys. Just for the haters. Got my own basketball court in here. Like this one, it's a huge house, man. It's my mama's house, you know, my mama's house. Oh man, I enjoy these comments, man. It's funny. You have no idea, guys. I'm in this game for more than 11 years, man. I'm trading for a long time, and I made a lot of money already. I'm 27 now. Started when I was 16. Fellas, I mean, it's not so clean, but fuck it, it's cool, man. Got character. Got a nice tree in the middle of the building. Big boy. Let's get in front of the charts. Let's talk about yesterday's trading session. How I was able to make 70,000 already, and I still got one running. It is 50k in profit at the moment, but I let it run. I expect a big drop today, so I'm gonna let it run and see what we can do today. Maybe we can squeeze like another 100k, 150k. Let's see. But check these golden rims, man. Damn, that one is cool. Let's get in front of the charts. Let's get it. All right, fellas, it's time to talk about yesterday's trading session. But before that, I want to give a big shout out to all of you guys who smashed that like buttons on that last video where I told you we need 1,000 likes, and I'm going to pick one winner who get the Genius Trading Masterclass course with all my strategies inside, plus the lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. I told you guys we need 1,000 likes, and I'm going to make the next giveaway video for you and pick one winner who gets the all-around package to become a consistently profitable trader. And guys, you smashed like not 1,000 likes, you smashed 1,400 likes on that video, and I'm very thankful, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. I'm going to pick the winner on Sunday, and if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, I'm going to pick a second winner who get the chance to get into the Genius Trading Masterclass course plus lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. Or if you win, if I pick your comment and you win this thing and you are already a member of the Genius Trading Masterclass course, I will give you a $10,000 FTMO challenge. So on Sunday, guys, make sure to smash that like button quick so that we can get this video to 1,000 likes. And on Sunday, I'm going to pick 2 winners who get the chance to get inside our inner circle and learn all the strategies that we use to make money in the markets. All right. Thank you, guys. So let's talk about yesterday's trading session. Let's take a look what was happening in here. So the day before, we took a buy in here, took some profits, then the market turned around, showed us clearly that it wants to go down. Then during during Tokyo session and during London, market was pulling back just to grab the liquidity above that last structure high. Grabbed the liquidity and it was just going down like super quick. I couldn't get involved into that move, as I would wait for a break of structure with a pullback to step into the game. Was dropping too quick, couldn't get a sell in here, and I was not in front of the charts as well because I was riding around, had to fix some stuff with my cars, so I was not able to check it. But I told you in the last video, guys, I want to see a nice pullback and then I want to see a reversal. Like, I want to see a reversal above the 50% level, like above 50% of that move. And of course, most of the time, the potential reversal zone is the last push to the upside that grabbed all the liquidity. So this zone is the potential reversal zone in that case. When the market was nearly hitting that zone and showed me signs of a reversal with a break of structure in here on the pullback, I got in because I thought like this is it, okay? I was a little bit too early on that one. The market slashed back into that zone and yeah, stopped me out. So I decided as soon as I saw that we broke, that we are about to probably break structure again after we grabbed all the liquidity over here. I mean, all the early sellers got stopped out, me included. But yeah, I decided to take a second chance, aggressive entry, gave it a little bit of wiggle room. My stop was around 11,875. Yeah, I took the second chance entry and closed 90% just before the session ends at a risk reward ratio of around 1 to 1.7, something like that. This is where I took 90% off the table, and now I still have 10% running, and the market is coming down, guys. Let me show you real quick on my phone. I still have one running in here, as you can see. This is the entry, and I'm running with 60k in profit right now. I'm aiming for another maybe 150k. I hope we can get this big drop. Overall, for the week we're up around 400 grand. For the month we're nearly at around 2.7. I hope I can take some more profits today. Yeah, let's see if this thing keeps dropping, guys. I'm using my Hanko Trade Live account. And yeah, guys, if you're looking for a broker, guys, we'll put the link down below. Check out Hanko Trade, they're pretty good. And yeah, let's see if we can get the big drop, guys. I mean, I would love to see the thing goes down to slash even through these lows. I mean, to get down to 11,000 would be crazy. This would be a lot of money, maybe even 200,000. Let's see what we can get in here. I mean, it would be even more like 60, 120. It would be more than 200,000 if we can get like this big drop. But let's see, guys. I will keep you updated how this thing will go. I hope we're not getting stopped out. I hope it will just keep dropping today. But let's see, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button if you want to participate in that giveaway, or if not, then just support it, smash that like button. And I thank you for that, guys. Thank you for your time. I hope you all stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.